Mikey B.
I'm E.
And this is Uptown Swing, week 1, level 5. This is more of a flash and trash type class. We'll just show you a few fun things we did that you can kind of show off. This is, I don't know, I call it the deer in the headlights. I don't know why I call it that, but that's just what I call it. The follower is essentially going to be holding her weight on her right foot. Check it out. We'll do one basic on the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. She hops in on the 3. Boom. And then I just take that momentum. And I can continue to go around. And then I place her back onto that foot into a rock start. Okay? Do it one more time from this position. You're hopping into the 3, making sure that you're creating the resistance with them. You're essentially leading this move. You're telling the leader, hey, I'm doing this move because you're giving him that resistance. Check it out. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 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 da, da, rock step. Go. Essentially, this kind of the same thing for the leaders. I call this shoot the duck. All right. Follower starts on 3. You'll see. Leaders just start on 5. Check it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can do it more upright like that, or I can really get down. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Da 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 da. So for both of those moves, leaders and followers, we're going to put all of our weight on that right foot. We're going to stretch away. We're going to have a nice solid balance. Our shoulders are down and back. We're keeping a pretty solid frame here, and we're keeping that pivot point. When the follower does the move, we leaders have to make sure we're not getting around that pivot point. Go right into it. Boom. She's going to stay on that point, and I just have to make sure that she's staying on balance there. She's the exact same thing for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Or rock step. Okay. Next move. Okay. What do we call this one?
Call it the Trent.
We're going to call it the Trent.
I really like this move.
It starts like a dip, but we're kind of going to go down and throw it out. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down. Cool. You don't have to do the little throw out, and that's up to you guys. We'll do it one more time, kind of slower. You can be more upright as well. Let's kind of do one more upright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Da da. Okay, just something like that, and come out of that. All right. Ooh. Okay, guys. I'll try to make this look as good as possible. This is called, what is this called? Who knows? The fly? We'll call it the fly. All right, here we go. Fly and twist. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boop, bop. Boom. Okay, so it's essentially the leader is going to be jumping over his right foot. We're going to try to keep it there and jump over it. Okay? Really torquing those hips over and bringing your left leg across. We're going to use the follower a little bit to try to get a little bit more height. She's going to hook under with her left arm, give me a little bit of support. So I'm going to use her to get a little bit higher. We're going to give some more pressure here away. This isn't up and down. It's more of a keep me solid. Okay? I'll try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and up. Boom. Oh my gosh. You get the idea. Thank you so much. See you next time.